In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vacation rental site using Wix, perfect for showcasing your property and attracting potential guests. Whether you're managing a cabin in the woods, a beachside villa, or a cozy city apartment, setting up a professional and inviting online presence is crucial to your rental business. Let's dive right into it and make sure your website not only looks great, but functions smoothly to welcome your future guests. The first step in our journey is to choose a starting point for your website. Wix offers a plethora of templates that serve as an excellent foundation, especially if you want to avoid the hefty task of constructing your site from scratch. You'll want to focus on templates specifically designed for vacation rentals, guest houses, or hotels. This will give you a pre-built structure, perfect for showcasing your property efficiently. While browsing through Wix, you'll find templates like the Vacation Rental, Soft, or the Vacation Rental Company. These are tailored to highlight the appeal of vacation properties and come packed with features to present your rental in the best light possible. Each of these templates is designed with various elements that maximize user engagement, such as image galleries, booking buttons, and map integrations. Choosing the right template is crucial because it sets the tone for your entire online presence. Think about the atmosphere you want to create and the message you wish to convey to potential guests. Should it be warm and inviting or sleek and modern? Take some time to explore different designs and features before you make your decision. Remember, while using a template is convenient and time-saving, Wix also offers you the alternative to start from a blank canvas if you have a unique vision for your website. This is a great option for those with specific design skills or creative expertise. However, for most, working from an existing template can greatly simplify the process. It quickly gets you up and running, allowing you to focus on personalization rather than foundational design. Whichever route you choose, Wix's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes customization a breeze. Adjust elements like text, images, and buttons to align with your brand's identity. Add personal touches, such as your logo, custom color themes, or specialized sections that reflect your property's unique features. And don't worry if you change your mind midway. Wix is flexible and allows for constant updates and modifications without losing your previous work. To recap, selecting the right starting point is key to efficiently building your vacation rental site. Opt for a vacation rental template for a seamless kickoff, or embrace the blank slate if you have a specific blueprint in mind. In our next steps, we'll explore further customization techniques and how to effectively market your site to ensure that guests are drawn to your vacation rental. Stay tuned as we transform your site into a compelling digital welcome mat for visitors worldwide.